Hello everybody, it's Rakai, and today I will be giving you a 5-minute tour of Seymour's Pond Nature Trail. Seymour's Pond's a small little trail, and you can see the trail ahead of me, but to the left is a tiny little bunker that's perfect for bird watching during the months when they're migrating. We're going to turn back around and then take you through the nature trail park of Seymour's Pond. So as we approach the first clearing in the park, to the left we have a bit of farmland. It doesn't seem like anything's planted right now, but at different times of the year you'll see different vegetables planted down here. And as we approach the other side of the farmland, it splits off into another trail that you can follow. We have some wild chickens and chicks down here. They all ran into the trees. And as we approach the end of this trail, it takes you to the other side of the pond, which you can't see from the little hut on the other side. And it goes directly to the road. So there you have it. That wraps up the 5-minute tour of Seymour's Pond Nature Trail. It's a great spot for bird watchers and even those who just want a bit of exercise and want to walk around the park or run around the park a few times. Thanks for watching.